Have you ever tried to import a Python script only to find yourself tangled in a web of errors? It can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you just want to reuse your code. If that's you, stick around because today we're diving into how to import a Python script that uses Argparse into another script. I totally get it. You've written some command line tools that work perfectly, but now you want to use them as modules in another script. It's a common scenario, and you're definitely not alone in facing this challenge. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user asked how to import a Python script that uses Argparse into another script while still being able to pass arguments as if they were running it from the command line. Sound familiar? Let's break it down together. So, what's the issue here? When you try to import your script, you might encounter errors related to argument parsing. This happens because Argparse is designed to work with command line inputs, and when you import the script, it doesn't receive those inputs the same way. And don't go anywhere. I'll share a crucial tip at the end that will help you seamlessly integrate your scripts without running into these issues. To modify the script so that it can be used both as a module and a command line tool, the user should ensure that the main function can accept parameters directly. This means adjusting the way arguments are handled in the script. Next, the user should implement a check to see if the script is being run directly or imported as a module. This can be done using the if name equals main statement. Now, the user should ensure that the run function is called only when the script is executed directly. This allows the script to function as a command line tool while still being importable. Finally, the user should test the script by running it from the command line to ensure it behaves as expected. They can also import it into another script to verify the module functionality. Fun fact, did you know that Python was named after the British comedy group Monty Python? Just like their humor, Python programming can sometimes be a bit quirky. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user suggests that instead of using quargs directly, you should convert the Argparse namespace object to a dictionary using vars. This allows you to pass the arguments correctly to your function. They demonstrate this by showing how to define two functions, one that accepts a namespace object and another that accepts keyword arguments. By using vars, you can successfully pass the arguments from Argparse to your function. Here's the tip I promised. Always structure your scripts with a main function and use the if name equals main pattern. This will save you from a lot of headaches when importing modules. And there you have it. You should now be able to import your Python scripts that use Argparse without any issues. Remember, structuring your code properly is key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more programming tips.